Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video, and in this one I will be showing you how to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. So this is really simple. All you need to do is simply head over to your Phantom Wallet application. Once you're onto the application, you can see it is just doing its quick authentication. Now you can see on the top it is highlighting buy Solana with cash or transfer crypto. So if you have Solana already and you want to simply transfer it onto your account, that is a completely different story, but we are going to be purchasing or buying Solana on Phantom Wallet. So click on this buy Solana with cash. You can do that, and let's just say you want Solana maybe for $500. You're going to be getting 3.308 071 Solana. So you can simply enter your amount and you're going to be simply purchasing that. If you want to buy using your credit card, you can do that as well. Simply head over to maybe these options. You can see we have buy, and you can also head over to your account, and from there you can add and connect your wallet. So you can see in the settings we have all these settings to manage you can also add your credit card as well. So for that you're going to be heading over to your home screen, and then you can, like always, enter your amount in here and buy your Solana. So it is actually pretty simple, and yeah, so I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more.